Royal barges are a captivating part of Thai culture and history. These ornate vessels are traditionally used in ceremonial processions along the Chao Phraya River. Though the processions are rare, you can still get an up-close look at some of the most significant royal barges at the Royal Barge Museum. This walk starts beneath Phra Pinklao Bridge, near the Phra Pinklao Bridge river taxi pier. If you're arriving by boat, head inland to the road and turn left towards the bridge. If you're coming via the bridge, take the steps down to the road and turn left. The steps to the bridge on either side of the river are about 20 metres from the water's edge. The route is well signposted and takes about 15 minutes. Follow the road as it bends right, passing Wat Dusitaram Secondary School, with the approach road to Pinklao Bridge on your right. Take the first turning to the left, which is clearly signposted. Walk past the historic buildings on your right, where a pool is home to a family of turtles, then bear left by the school entrance. Immediately after the school, turn right into a narrow lane that could be mistaken for a footpath. The lane bends left, then right, before passing an open area used for recreation. About 50 metres after crossing a narrow canal, the lane takes a sharp left. Continue along until you reach the next narrow canal. Turn right, then immediately left to cross over the canal. The Royal Barge Museum is on the left at the end of this lane. You'll find a link to a map of the route in the description. Royal barge processions are impressive. A few shots of past appearances have been added to satisfy the curious-minded. Our website has more videos about Bangkok and Thai culture. There's a link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button.